Hi, in this video we are going to study about polynomial equations, specifically focusing on finding the real roots. A polynomial equation may be written in these forms. A polynomial equation in standard form is shown in this given example. X raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 18x squared plus 20x plus 8 is equal to 0. However, it can also be written in factored form, which is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 equal to 0. So, yung dalawang polynomial equation na yan ay pareho lang. Okay? Ang pinagkaiba lang kung paano sila sinulat. Yung first example natin is written in standard form. And then yung second example is the same polynomial equation. However, naka-factored form siya. The polynomial equation x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 18x squared plus 20x plus 8 equal to 0 is written in standard form, which can be written in factored form using factoring. And in the previous discussion, naturo ko na kung paano ang pag-factor ng polynomial equation. So, pwede nyo na lang balikan. Okay, let's have example number 1. Write the polynomial equation in factored form, and then you need to find its roots. So, as I have mentioned in the last video, you can always use synthetic division in finding the factors of the polynomial equation. So, in this given, sinimulan muna natin gamitin yung x plus 1 to check if it's a factor or not of our polynomial equation. So, since yung dulo niya is 0, ibig sabihin yung x plus 1 natin is a factor of the polynomial. Ngayon, yung sagot dito sa baba, yung 1, 6, 12, 8, ito yung gagamitin natin sa susunod na paghanap natin ng factor ng polynomial. Okay? So, here, we tried x plus 2. So, yung remainder, nung ginamit natin yung synthetic division is also equal to 0. So, that means, yung x plus 2 natin is another factor of the polynomial equation na may degree na 4. Okay, next. So, may natira pa ditong 1, 4, 4 or x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, ito ngayon yung gagamitin natin. Hanap tayo ulit ng isa pang factor. Kasi ito yung reduced function. So, 1, 4, 4 ulit. So, pag tinignan nyo rito. And then, we use another factor, x plus 2 na naman. So, when we use the synthetic division, 0 yung sagot. So, that means x plus 2 is also a factor of the polynomial. And then, since dalawa na lang yung natitira sa baba, okay, it can be written as x plus 2 rin. Kasi positive naman yung 2 dito. Okay, so x plus 2. Is another factor of the polynomial equation. So, meron tayong 4. Ang basis natin is to. Yung kanyang degree is 4. So, that means there are 4 factors of for this polynomial equation. So, the factored form of the polynomial equation, x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed plus 18x squared plus 20x plus 8 is equal to 0 is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Pag minultiply mo yung factored form, ang lalabas dyan is the polynomial equation. At pag finactor mo itong polynomial equation, lalabas naman yung factored form na x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let's continue answering yung problem natin earlier. Kasi sabi, write the polynomial equation in factored form and then find its roots. So using the factored form, makukuha na natin agad yung kanyang roots. So using the zero product property, so yung x plus 1 i-equal natin sa 0, ganun din yung x plus 2 equal to 0 yan, x plus 2 equal to 0, at saka yung x plus 2 is equal to 0 din. So, transpose, makukuha mo yung value ng x equal to negative 1. Tapos, yung x plus 2 is equal to 0, yung value ng x niya is equal to negative 2, x is equal to negative 2, at x is equal to negative 2. So, yung roots or zeros of the polynomial equation are negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, at negative 2. Or, pwede ring isulat as the roots or zeros of the polynomial equation are negative 1 and negative 2 multiplicity of 3. Kasi yung negative 2, tatlong beses nag-appear. Example number 2. Write the polynomial equation x squared plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0 in factored form and then find its roots. So using synthetic division, let's try out all possible factors of the equation. So, trinay natin yung x plus 1 using synthetic division, kaya lang merong remainder. So, ibig sabihin, yung x plus 1, hindi siya factor ng ating equation. And then, let's try x plus 2. So, using x plus 2 at saka yung synthetic division natin, 0 yung remainder. So, that means, x plus 2 is a factor at yung natira dito sa baba, 1 and 4, that's 1x plus 4. So, ito yung isa pang factor niya. So, the factors of the equation x squared plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0 is x plus 2 times x plus 4 equal to 0. Using the factored form, x plus 2 times x plus 4 is equal to 0, we can find the roots or the zeros of the polynomial equation. So, using the zero product property, i-equate natin yung x plus 2 sa 0, and then yung x plus 4, i-equate din natin sa 0. So, sa x plus 2 is equal to 0, you just transpose positive 2. So, you'll get the value of x, which is equal to negative 2. And then, sa x plus 4 is equal to 0, you transpose positive 4, makukuha mo din yung isang value ng x, which is negative 4. So, the roots or zeros of the polynomial equation are negative 2 and negative 4. Write the polynomial equation x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 in factored form and find its roots. So, using synthetic division, we found out that x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial equation. Kasi nung ginamit natin siya, walang remainder na lumabas. And then using 1, 1, negative 2 here, or x squared plus x minus 2, okay, gagamitin natin to find the next factors, or the other factors of the polynomial equation. So, using x plus 2, okay, nalaman natin na yung remainder ng ating polynomial equation gamit ng synthetic division is also 0. So, that means x plus 2 is a factor at yung naiwan dito sa baba, which is x minus 1, is also a factor of the polynomial equation. So, there are 3. So, the factored form of the polynomial equation, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 is x minus 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Next step natin is to look for the zeros or the roots of the polynomial equation. So, gamit yung factored form and the zero product property, okay, equate natin yung mga factors sa 0. So, x minus 3 is equal to 0, transpose si negative 3, ang value ng x natin is positive 3. X plus 2 is equal to 0, so the value of x here is negative 2. And then sa x minus 1 is equal to 0, ang value ng x natin is equal to positive 1. So the roots or zeros of the polynomial equation are 3, negative 2, and positive 1.